In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy drawings between futures contracts in TradingView. If you use drawings like trend lines, zones, or notes on one futures contract and want them on another, you don't need to redraw anything. I'll walk you through a simple copy and paste workflow that keeps your analysis consistent across contracts. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once the site loads, look to the right-hand side of the interface. You'll see a panel with market categories and watch lists. Find the futures section there and open it. This is where you can quickly access the contracts you track, like equity index futures, commodities, or rates. Click the futures contract you want to work with, then open it in the full chart view. The full chart gives you access to your drawing tools, layout options, and the context you need for precise copying. If your chart layout includes multiple panes or indicators, that's fine. What matters is that you're on the chart where the original drawing lives. Now click directly on the drawing you want to copy to make sure it's selected. You should see handles or an outline that confirms your selection. If the drawing is locked, unlock it first so it can be copied. You can also select multiple drawings by clicking them one by one while holding your modifier key, but make sure you only select what you intend to move to the new contract. With the drawing selected, right-click on the chart and choose Copy. This places the drawing on your clipboard, preserving its coordinates relative to price and time. Copying doesn't change your original, so there's no risk of losing anything. Next, open the new symbol, the futures contract you want to paste onto. Use the symbol search box at the top of the chart to switch to the target contract. It's a good idea to stay on the same time frame so the drawing lines up more predictably across instruments. Once the target chart is open, right-click on the chart area and choose Paste. You can also use your standard paste keyboard shortcut if you prefer. The drawing will appear in the same time and price region as it was on the source chart. If you don't see it immediately, try zooming out, checking the time frame, or resetting the price scale to bring it into view. From here, adjust or lock the pasted drawing if needed. Remember, contract differences and roll dates can shift context slightly, so minor tweaks may be helpful. That's it, a quick, reliable way to replicate your analysis between futures contracts without starting from scratch.